Hi, hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. Happy social distancing, happy quarantine, happy self-isolation. I just hope you're being positive and just trying to smile because we can't lose our minds. We cannot lose our minds in this 2020. 2020 needs to reset, but let's not even go there. Let's try to be positive, okay? Today, I'm cleaning. I need to clean my house. I'm gonna start with my studio because as I said to you guys, I wasn't able to order any of the furniture and things that I wanted because of this whole lockdown, but I can at least start organizing things and put them where they're supposed to go or into little boxes so I know where everything is, right? Because when we came back from Trinidad, I didn't do a thing. My suitcase is literally still packed downstairs because we washed everything before we came. We had laundry service, so I haven't done a thing. But before we get into all that good stuff, let me share my look with you guys today because I know somebody's gonna ask. My jewelry is from Ana Luisa and they are 100% recyclable gold. So they come at no cost to the planet. They're sustainable and that's one of the reasons why I chose them. I like the hoops. They're bringing a little bit of bougie hood to this look. I live very much in the suburbs, so there's no hood around here, but we can bring a little bit of bougie hood to the suburbs. It's fine, it's fine. And this is actually a 3-piece necklace. This is the 3rd piece, but I just want to wear these 2 today. So you don't have to wear all 3 together. You can just style it however you like. But I love the packaging of this. How cute is that? It has a little envelope at the back where the rest of the necklace is stored. But if I were to wear this piece, it would be somewhere around here. And they're just layered like that. But I don't want to wear this one today. Their jewels range from around $49 to the higher end, which is about maybe $350-ish for their diamonds. So you can get yourself some really nice affordable pieces that are still high quality because, as I said, it is gold. There are hundreds of pieces on the website that you can choose from, and their diamonds are sustainably lab grown, so you ain't gonna have no blood diamonds around here. Another pair that I love me some pearls, and I got these. These are so cute. Now, I would wear these together, but I feel like it might be a little too much for this look. But how cute would they look with the loops though? Bougie chic, okay? So all the details of the jewelry will be in the description bar for you guys with a link to their website as well. So you guys have the whole look. This top is old. This is from Misguided. This is years ago and it's actually fitting. So I'm happy about that. My workout and health routine is working for me. So I'm feeling good, But this hair is from Allure Hair. And she is long, she is flowy, and she's 1.5 years old, you guys. Almost 1.5 years today. And it's been sitting like this for the last couple days. So all the details of that will be in the description bar for you guys. So yeah, I think the first thing I'm going to start with is actually organizing my jewelry. And then I'm going to move on to my wigs and the rest of my makeup. That's where we're going with this today because Lord knows. So let's get started. Do not judge me, okay? I've been busy. Woo! Okay, so this is the desk area. It's got makeup and just a lot of things. This is how I've been filming. Like literally all my makeup and just my ring light, and this little table here has been like my saving grace. The walk-in closet space thing here. So this is where I'm gonna put all my camera stuff, but my camera right now is sitting, well, I have my camera with me and the other camera is here. The rest of the cameras and all the other equipment are sitting in that box right there. And this right here is my desk from the old house. So it had all my makeup, well, some of my makeup in there. The mirror that I had in the old house is somewhere in storage. I can't remember if it's downstairs in storage or if it's upstairs or if it's in the attic. I have no idea where it is. This space, it's not big enough for me to put a chair in here and do my makeup in this room. And in any event, I don't think I would really want to do my makeup in that room anyway because it's so small, not a lot of space. So I have some lights on the floor here and I have clothes that I was gonna wear to do this video, but I changed my mind and decided on that top. And then I have boxes and boxes of makeup. And that room behind me is just the bathroom. So yeah, it hasn't really changed much since I showed you from the move-in day. Let's start cleaning this mess up. So I've tied my hair up because we're about to get serious up in here. I need to concentrate to start clearing all this mess. First thing I'm gonna do is get rid of all the chairs and all the electronics. Came through dripping like Karina, I'm 715, kept a weapon on me. Blow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gonna be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us run when I tell a bit piece. Love is love. Okay, it didn't take long for me to get the floor done at all. So now I'm gonna just tidy up the rest. I'm sorry if you're hearing like lots of noise outside. There are little kids out there, they're playing in their garden, they're really cute. I'm gonna start moving the electronics and stuff out of the way now. I think I'm gonna take out the desk and bring the desk into the main space just for now. And then I'm gonna use it as just storage until I can finally get some handymen over here and buy the furniture that I want, when the corona lockdown is over, if it's gonna be over anytime soon. Wigs, everyone. I need to do a wig video. I need to show you guys all the wigs that I have because honestly, moving has shown me that I have a lot of wigs and I've only got one head. So I might sell some of them because some of them I've only worn once for promotional video or something. And they're just sitting in the closet and you guys are always talking about how wigs aren't that affordable. So obviously I wouldn't sell it at the retail price. But yeah, I think I'll make a video of all the wigs in my closet. Drill bits, because I needed to drill these. These used to be in my living room, okay, in the old flat. And I was going to drill them into the wall here and use them as just basically stand storage for my camera equipment. But I'm thinking right now what I'm going to do is put all my makeup on here. Organizing my makeup and stuff on here doesn't actually look so bad. So I might keep it that way. But what I want to really do is add shelves to this wall right here. I just have to be careful of the door. Logistics, man, logistics. So I've organized face, lips, eyes. And these are like new products that I've been sent in PR stuff to try. And this is like eyes and nails. Hello, how may I help you? Thanks. I've literally got all kinds of goodies down here. Wondering why there's a plug up here. Well, obviously it's for a TV. A TV is supposed to go up here, but this ain't a doctor's office. I don't think I want to put a TV up on the wall unless I'm going to use it to be like checking my screen when I'm recording, but I don't think I need that, to be honest. These took a long time to get them straight and make sure that they're perfectly level. And eventually I'll get a chair to put in the corner over there. I wanted to put a mirror here, but I'd have to remove one of the frames. I'm outside now because I realized I need to spray paint one of my frames and I completely forgot. Hey beauties, I'm obviously dressed different. It's a new day. So I thought I'd come on and show you guys what I ended up doing and how it turned out. Obviously I haven't finished, this is just organizing and I still have some stuff that I haven't finished organizing, as you can see. But this is what, ta-da! Ta-da! of doing with the picture frames. I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm not sure if I'm even going to keep this. That table's going to go, that chair's going to go. That's not staying there, but that's just what I have for now. Behind me, my desk is pretty much still exactly the same. Nothing at all has changed in that department. And I'm going to show you guys what I did in the closet storage space. I think that's the best thing that I've done so far. So let me show you. I ended up buying the storage boxes from John Lewis. I think they are literally the best things ever because I can open and stack and make use of as much space as I need. It's a lot more organized and efficient than how I had it before. So I have my face stuff in here, which is, these are all products that I actually use, yeah? These are all my products. This is not PR. This is what I use, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this is my face stuff. And then at the back here, I have primers and potions. In here, I have my mascaras and liquid eyeliners. And at the back here, these are my lashes. So I bought this little pill caddy for lashes that I've worn already and I want to save. And it fits in there really nicely. So it's really simple. And I also have this one. But it doesn't hold that many. It only holds like 3. This one is masks, face mask and skincare. And this is PR, lotions, potions, setting powders, primers, all kinds of stuff in there that I haven't got around to using yet, so I'm going to be making Insta tutorials with those. And this is hair care stuff, and at the bottom is more hair care stuff for wigs. So on this side over here, I started up by thinking about putting up shelving. So I put this here so I could see what it would look like. Then I realized that if I'm going down, I might hit my head on this, so that is not a good idea. So I just brought up another one of these shelves. I had 3, and I'm going to buy another one to put here so that I can store my cameras and stuff. That's what I have here. And in this box over here, I have my wigs. I've got this little table for when I'm doing my makeup, so I can just pull it out like a trolley. I might get a bigger one, but eventually I'm gonna get a little basket so that I can go shopping in my closet. So when I'm using stuff, I can take out the lipstick and whatever I need, pop it in the basket, pop it on here, and wheel it out so that I can film videos for you guys. That's the system that I'm working with. Okay, you guys, so that is it. That is the tour. That's all I've done for now. I'll put a link in the description bar for you guys to the John Lewis boxes. But I hope you did enjoy this video, and I'll keep you guys updated with what I do with this room, because I might paint a wall, I might put a feature in. I really don't know yet. This was just organization of my stuff so that I won't drive myself crazy looking for things. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.